Since the development of artificial intelligence has been occurring at such a quick pace, there are some things that truly annoy me, and I always report them to organizations that specialize in artificial intelligence, one by one. Simply because everyone enjoys taking quick routes. As a species, we all have a strong preference for quick cuts, but I am attempting to educate people about the importance of artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. Currently, the job that I am doing involves a wide variety of tools for content producers, among other things. Mainly due to the fact that it seems that a great number of people would lose their employment as a result of artificial intelligence. In order to educate people how to make use of artificial intelligence, it is necessary for us to inform them what we are capable of doing as individuals who are also knowledgeable about technology. While I like the fact that there is competition in the corporate sector, I have begun to be concerned about the future of independent content makers and other similar individuals. My blog was resurrected for this reason, and I want to promote awareness via the stories and writings that I will share. In the present moment, my objective is to provide training for journalists and content writers. Artists and software engineers are experiencing a gradual loss of employment, which is why I have returned to the field in order to make a contribution to the formulation of legal regulations concerning the use of artificial intelligence and to reap the benefits of the establishment of new business branches.